Welcome to a ViewSonic unboxing. My name is Ray, and today I have for you a lamp-based entertainment projector. This one specifically is called the PX701HD, and it is a home theater-based projector, which is why we focus it on a 1080p resolution and a 16:9 aspect ratio. The focus of this was actually really high brightness. This is a 3500 ANSI lumens projector, so if you need to project a really big image, specifically if you've got a big theater room or if you're trying to do a backyard movie night, you can do a really huge image with a 3500 lumens projector like this. So let's get this open and let's show you what we get in the box. So this one has pretty simple packaging, a pretty small enclosure as well, not much extra. So right here we've got some instructions and a couple of batteries. Batteries are for the remote. The remote is tucked here on the side. This will allow for adjustments on the projector itself. There is a built-in speaker, so there's volume control. And also this one allows 10 degrees of vertical lens shift. So if you need to move the image up and down depending on where it's installed, you can do that directly from the remote. Opening the projector itself, we're going to pull it all out in one piece. Okay. We've actually got a couple cables in here as well. So of course we have our power cable. This is just a standard wall cable. Can be swapped out with any cables you already have. And also we include a VGA cable, basically just a basic connection. For most people, I actually think you'll probably end up using an HDMI, but we do include a VGA in case you need it. Looking at the projector itself, I'm actually going to take these foam caps off a little carefully. And then the projector itself. Here is the projector. It's actually a very small unit. It's not one that we consider portable, and we don't recommend it for portable use, but it is a very small, compact unit. So if you ever needed to move it, say, room to room, it's actually very easy for that. All of your physical controls that you would have on the remote are duplicated on the top of the unit. So if for any reason you don't have the remote or you don't have access to it, you can adjust it on the unit itself. This would be great for usage on a desktop if you're projecting onto a wall, or even for hard mounting from a ceiling. You can still get to these buttons to access them, which is why we put them here on the top. Looking at the back here, we have various ports. Specifically, there are two HDMIs. There's dual functions there. One purpose is obviously if you have two different HDMI devices, maybe a Blu-ray player and a game console as an example, you can have both those connected. The other option is if you have any content that is 3D, like a 3D Blu-ray player, you can actually use both of the HDMIs at the same time, and then it projects two different images into a true 3D, much better than what you would be able to do on an HD TV, because projectors can actually shift the image back and forth between your eyes, and that gives you the 3D that you're looking for. Basic things, you've got the audio in and the audio out. USB, this one specifically is designed to support 1.5 amps at 5 volts. That's enough to run just about any streaming stick that we're aware of. So if you've got a popular like Fire Stick as an example, you can plug the power in here, plug the HDMI in here, no other settings or no other dongles that you need. It just is built in. And again, this is all about projector brightness and the screen performance. I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing and overview of the PX701HD. Please watch this space for more exciting unboxings from ViewSonic.